Welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Frigidaire cooktop F31 error code. So guys, first one is turn off the cooktop at the breaker for at least 5 minutes and then turn it back on and you should be able to fix the issue. If it doesn't, just simply locate the temperature sensor probe, usually mounted inside the oven cavity for ranges or under the glass cooktop for induction models, and make sure the wiring harness is securely connected and not loose. Another one is you could test the temperature sensor. So disconnect the sensor wiring and you could use a multimeter to check resistance. At room temperature, it should read about 1080 ohms. If it's way off or if it's very low, it means that it is shorted. If it's very high, it means that it is open and the sensor is faulty. Now guys, if that sensor tests fine, but the F31 error remains, the issue could be with the electronic control board. In that case, replacement of the control board may be necessary. There goes, see ya.